Okay, so we're talking about slope as a rate of change. The first thing I need to address is that domain and range. And then tomorrow we'll also address what is a function. Hopefully you've seen those before, so it's fairly straightforward. Okay, but if I give you, let's just say, some points, and ask you what is the domain of that set of points. Okay. It's the x values, right? So we would write 2, 3, 4. You don't have to put the fact that it's the x values. I'm just putting that there for you guys to remember. And the range would be 25 to 5. That is the y values, correct? Okay. So you know what that is. Okay. What about this? I'll give you an equation. Are there any x values I can't plug in there that will foul it up? If I foul it up, I mean, look at this one. Is there anything I can't put in this for x? No. Yeah, there's something that will make a bad calculation.
Yeah, it'd be like negative numbers, or even point.
What can't I have in the denominator?
Probably maybe bigger number. I don't know. I'm just spitting.
Yeah, somebody said. 0. Can you divide by 0?
No.
No. Okay, so the domain of this is written like that. I can't divide by 0, right? Or it's that time. Or it's on my desk. I can't divide by 0, so I'm going to write it. Set of x values such that x cannot be 0.
What is that gibberish supposed to mean?
So we would say set of x such that x can't be 0. Right? Okay. What?
No, it looks like a
They're not equal. It's an equal sign with a line in it. Can't be 0. Right? So,
oh, so it's like. Can you say that?
I'm surprised you haven't seen that before.
I've seen it, I just don't know.
Oh, so it's me. Yeah. Watch it. All right, so I have the power.
Oh, you forgot your homework assignment? Enjoy doing math for it.
So what, is there anything I can't put in this? No, is there a fraction with an x in the bottom? No. 2 times 0 plus 1 is 1. I can put 0 in. Anything else you think of? No, these ones are easy. So then we're just going to say that x is in the real numbers. See how those real number sets kind of come into play here? Why did I put one on the warm up? You look confused, Block.
What is that? What we're doing? Dude, you're thinking too hard. It's not. You're actually not doing anything right now.
Step back here.
What is that?
What are the
I
X
didn't say
values?
anything on the domain.
XXX.
Okay. And your range.
Because I give them to you, right? But these, it's not so obvious. So the question is, are there any X values that I can't plug in? Because they would make bad calculations. This one would be 1/0, which is 1 divided by 0 is undefined. No.
You can't divide it.
You can't divide by 0. So the domain has to exclude 0. It can be anything else. Here, there's nothing that I can't put in there to get a number out. So everything works. All real numbers. So I need to talk afterwards.
Great.
I think part of it might be the notation here. Okay, what? I know. I know that. I know. Wait, by this. I don't know what I'm going to show you next problem. Okay, well, Y values will I get out of here? So anything I won't get? I can get 0 if I plug -1/2 in there. -1/2 plus 1, or times 2 is -1 plus 1 is 0. Try again. Yeah, there is nothing. So Y, all possible numbers.
What is that?
The Y values are in the real numbers. So any real number that's possible, I will get it out.
Is that the like real number symbol?
Yes. The R with the extra bar is a real number. If I wanted to do, you know the number sets, they all have little symbols attached to them. I just haven't shown them to you. The integers is a Z with a bar. Okay. What's the range of this? Can I get 0?
No.
I cannot. Can I get everything else? You bet I can. Okay, so. Domain range, just remember it's the X values and the Y values. I just want to show you some of the finer points. What about this function? What can't I put in a square root? -0, the square root of 0 is 0. I can do that. Right? Can I take the square root of 0 and get a number? Yes. Somebody said another one.
Would it be irrational numbers?
What's the square root of -2?
+4?
Can I take the square root of a negative number?
Oh, no, that's.
We did complex numbers, right? Right now we're not operating with complex numbers.
Square root is -2.
Will I get a real number out of that? No. Okay. So
It's nothing, because it's no possible. Is that a prime number? Is that what you're talking about?
X has to be positive or greater than or equal to 0. I can't put negatives in here and get a real number out. Okay? You following?
I'm thinking
The question is what makes bad operations there? And the range, those are going to be all positives too, right? They'll never get a negative output. Oh, that's not that always right. These will not always match, but they do in hard cases. So domain and range. It's not going to be that hard today. I'm going to give you a table of values, and you're going to say these are the X's domain, and these are the Y's, these are the domain. Range. Okay. All right, let's talk about if I
say in context, do you know what that means? Okay, let's just say real world. So these are real world problems, we say that in context. Alright. Let me give you a graph. We're going to be working on our assignment with the hurricane, so tornadoes play a good parallel for this. The y-axis is going to be wind speed. I'm going to go that scale, and then time in minutes. The wind speed is in miles per hour. We're American. And then here's the graph. Fully board. Yeah, you look for it. Sorry. Maybe I should put you in pre-calc. Oh, I'll start failing more. So we have a graph here. Is that about copy down? I'll hold on. You ever write anything down, Lashes? Why does that have to matter? How do you know it's hard until you've done it? What is the domain of this graph? Yeah, so what possible x values do we have? 1 through like 6. I start at 0. 0 through 6.5. Okay, so let's write that out. Set of x values in 0 is less than or equal to x, less than or equal to 6.5. So x is between 0 and 6.5. What about the range? The y values. What are the y values? Yeah, 0, 1, 25. Okay. A little easier to see when you have a graph or a table, right? The equation then gets a little screwed up. Okay. What is the rate of change from t equals 0 to t equals 2? You can also say the rate of change in speed. 0 to like 130. Like that. You can say 125 like that. It looks like it's in trajectory, right? I think I just probably wrote it wrong, but. So, rate of change can also be thought of as slope. Right? So, the slope of the line, you can do rise over run, 125 over 2. So we go from 0, we go up 125 to the right 2. Yeah? Like 2.5. I wonder your units. They are miles per minute. Miles per hour. Per minute. See how y's over x's? Y's, miles per hour, over x's, minutes. It's kind of funny. It means that the tornado is accelerating its wind speed. Okay. The wind speed is accelerating. We can also do it with 2 points like we talked about yesterday, right? So, same answer. Okay, on your own here, what's the average rate of change? We can add that word in there. You okay if I write ROC? ROC, rate of change? Yeah, it's ROC. Yep, that's it. Equals 2 to 6.5. There's no line, is there? But that's okay, we can still calculate an average rate of change. It just means from this time period, on average, it slowed down so much. Right? So what would that be? You can still count. What, 125, right? Down 125 to the right. 4.5, like 4.5, or 5.5. Start at 2 and go to 6.5. 4.5. Yeah. So if you divide that out, what do we get? So being comfortable with finding differences in time. If I said 4 p.m. to 10 p.m., what's the difference in time? 6 hours. Yeah, 6 hours. What if I said 3:30 to 5:10? It's like 2 hours and 40 minutes. 2 hours. Yeah, you have to put that in decimal for math purposes. So let's just say if you had 2 hours and 40 minutes, what's that in decimal? No. You run, Robert. Remember, 60 minutes in an hour?
It's 1.5.
What's 40 divided by 60? Other way around, right?
Oh, this is a.
Yeah, so just take your minutes or seconds, divide it by 60, that gives you your decimal. Okay. 40 divided by 60 is 0.66666, etc. You'll have to be able to do that, so. I have to go get the data sheet because I don't know where I put it, so I'll be right back. You can start reading. I'm gonna go get your data sheet. You'll make graph paper.
Shore on the Louisiana coast, west of New Orleans. The hurricane caused a great concern as it approached the valley, and because of the damage caused by the hurricane, as the storm procedures, we see data on the data page,
Where am I?
your laptop from the February laptop page. Data page. The data page.
So number one says to do 3 different graphs. I just want you to put all your data on one. Okay. Put all of the data on one.
So each of these columns will get back. Each of these dates in the year is gonna be a dot.
Yeah. Make a graph of all the data.
All these are gonna wrap up.
It's a lot of dots. Yes.
So make your top words, how you. We just kind of do like line of business.
We'll move it into that.
Yeah, we can get a graphic or do we set that in half? On your phone. You could put in that. No. Oh, yeah, sure can. Yeah. Come on, Mr. Williams. And I found money in school, just instead of pick up the text and sitting at that I think the X is probably gonna be timed Y. Yes, So that's gonna be 7. The 40. No, these are 3 steps. These are 3 steps. You have 3 graphs? You get like 5. 3 variables. 3 graphs or 1 graph with 68. 1 graph with everything on it. Totally wrong. 1 graph with $68. Yes. It's easy. Yeah, taking 5 minutes now. You're done. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, I'm taking started on the page. Turn sideways. It is kind of 4 weeks. Yeah. That's like 1 column right there. You want to make it more like 2 columns. We'll make 1 box. I'll just try to cut that. Maybe it'll fit. That's cool.